What's happening, guys? I wanted to give you another little update, and I'll get better. I meant to go ahead and film the install and all this, but it was kind of a pain in the butt, so I ended up not filming it whatsoever. And it also took a long time, a lot longer than what I thought it was going to take, mainly because I was trying to be super simple, or not super simple. I was trying to be super particular about how I did things. I didn't want to break any clips or anything like that, but I ended up getting a new grill, got the Raptor lights, a new badge, and everything like that. So this is what it looks like right here. So the lights, actually let me go ahead, and what I'll do is I will turn them on for you guys. So these are what the lights look like right now. So what I ended up doing is I changed out the stock bulbs for some nice LED ones. The parking bulbs, or the DRLs, are LEDs as well. Now I got the LED fog lights from Oxbeam, and then this is the new grill I did. So I did the TRD Pro grill, and then picked up the quote-unquote Raptor lights in order to actually make it look a little bit more cool. And then one of the other things I added was the American flag magnet with a thin red line, because I am a firefighter, and this is cool because this is a magnet flag, so I don't have to worry about decals and all that stuff. I was a little worried when it came to sticking that on, because I didn't want to have the magnet like rub against the paint and then end up scratching it, so I made sure I was like heavily detailed and everything like that before I ended up putting that on. So that's pretty much all I've done right now. I will have an unboxing for you guys here soon. I'm waiting on 2 other items to come in. I won't let you know what those are yet. Those will just be a surprise for the unboxing. So yeah. Oh, and I also did take off this rear bottom piece right here. So there was a I guess you would call it like a wind splitter. I guess it could just helps create like less drag. Honestly, I have no idea what you would call it. I think I'm just calling it like a lower splitter. But that came down right here to almost about, I'd say almost 6 inches down below, and I ended up taking that off just because, one, this kind of makes the truck look cool, and also I guess you want to say it gives it a little bit more clearance so I don't have to worry about that plastic piece. But at the end of the day, I still got the lower portion of that that stock skid plate there that pretty much does the exact, or it's at the same distance that the lip was at to begin with. So, but yeah, that's all I did. I did end up taking it 2 days ago, no, yesterday. I took it yesterday. I went up to this place called Twin Buttes, which I took some pictures of it, which I'll pop up on the screen right now so you guys can take a look at it. It was an awesome place. You really see a lot from out there, and I got a lot of good pictures of the truck. And then today I ended up heading out to this place called Red Sands, and got some more cool pictures of the truck out there, which I'll pop those up right now as well. And right now it's kind of like taking the truck places, taking pictures of it, you know, showing off some of the mods and things like that, little things, but I like it. So but yeah, so that is what I've done so far. There'll be more videos to follow. Like I said, I will be doing an unboxing here in the next following days, and I'll make sure I let you guys in on all of that. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.